When I first started uploading videos back in March, I had about 10 watch hours per month. Today I'm averaging somewhere around 500. Some people get that in a single day, but I was happy for even a single watch hour. So going from 10 to 500 was a big deal to me. I'm a minnow in a big ocean dominated by whales. I'm extremely introverted, so it doesn't help at all, but I find comfort in doing what I love doing and talking the way I like to talk. I set out to pursue my dream of building my own video games, and working for a GameDev studio didn't cut it. I'm a bad salesman, and I don't have access to big publishers or influencers. I get stressed out by the very thought of talking to strangers, let alone selling an idea. My strategy is more like try to provide value to the community and hope for the best. I've realized that there's a giant gap between basic tutorials and finished games. I've never seen a recording from start to finish. I've seen good beginner tutorials and awesome finished indie games, but not much in between. So I set out to record my entire process from a single cube in Unity all the way down to a fully playable game. I underestimated the task of recording. I've never done it before, so it's taking way more time and more videos than I expected. But from the analytics I see that the numbers are constantly going up, so a big thanks to those who are sticking around. Nothing will be easy, neither for me nor for anybody who's watching and following along. But game dev has always been difficult. You can take a lot of pride in being a game developer. I still have a lot of work to do with things like AI, weapons, level design, and more. But I'm super motivated that I came this far, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.